Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, meron tayong i-unbox na Daredevil na action figures from City Toys. Nabili ko to sa Shopee around 1,400 pesos each. So buksan natin, meron tayong red version at saka yung black version. Okay, unahin natin tong red version. Okay, unboxin natin. Wow, Stig. So meron siyang base sa likod, transparent na base, rectangular transparent base. Meron din siyang pole and clamp. Hindi siya spring loaded ah. Okay, tabi muna natin 'yan. Alright, this is Daredevil City Toys out of the packaging. Very cool. You have the action figure, two heads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 5 sets of hands. Very cool. 10 pieces yan in total. Two buttons, yung kanya, meron red version and also, meron pang holster. Okay, tama. Holster yung red, tapos button yung nakalagay din sa top. They have two buttons, tapos meron ding version na ganito, yung parang merong spring or some sort of flexible na plastic. Flexible wire pala. Okay, let's take Daredevil out of the packaging. Ayusin lang natin. Uy, may nahulog. Ito. Ang astig din ng packaging, meron pa siyang back comic book style ng comic book panel na illustration ni Deadpool sa likod. Okay, Daredevil stands at around 6 inches tall. Very nice, very solid na action figure. This is a bootleg version. Hindi to original hindi to hindi to authentic. Bootleg version siya, pero grabe ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa dito. Tight joints, walang mga loose joints. So, chine-check ko lang din kung meron siyang mga defects since bootleg nga siya. Pero ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ni City Toys. Ayun, meron ng loose to. Itong part na to, yung sa button. Okay, pwede rin natin palitan yan ng itong version na to. Okay? Kasi equip din natin ito mamaya yung kanyang button with Billy Club na white version. Okay? Okay, let's start with the sculpt. Very nice sculpt, very nice muscle definition sa chest. You have the DD logo na red din. And also yung paint na ginawa nila dito, naglagay sila ng slight na shadows dun sa deeper parts ng suit. So dito meron yung mga pre-shading, merong shadows na in-spray using airbrush, a darker shade of red. Hindi siya super bright red katulad nitong logo natin. I think this is a darker shade of red. So parang nasa